Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have LENOVO Legion Go glasses and I'm going to show you the compatibility test. So here we have Samsung phone, here we have Motorola phone, Vivo phone and Google Pixel phone. At first I will plug our headphones to Samsung phone. As you can see, connected to external display, so it does work. As you can see, it's working right now. Now I will plug these glasses straight to our Motorola phone. And now we are going to check if it works. As you can see, it doesn't work, unfortunately. After that, we will plug these glasses to our Vivo phone. As you can see, nothing happened on our phone. But does it work on our glasses? Let's check. As you can see, there is nothing on our display. Now I will plug it into our Pixel phone. As you can see, nothing happened here too. Let's unblock this phone. Mirror to an external display, mirror display. Now, if we see on our glasses, it works. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.